Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 16th of May 2022 and our today's video topic is difference between string buffer and string builder in Java. My name is Dinesh and this is the original video on this topic. So let's understand first what are string buffer and string builder. These are the two classes in Java which store the object in it. As we have seen that a string is we know that string is an immutable class. It means its object cannot be changed once assigned it to it. So let's see basic difference between these classes. String, when we store an object in string, it will store in SCP, which is string constant pool, and heap memory. When we create an object with the use of string buffer, its object is created in the heap area, and same like in string builder also, string builder can store the objects in heap area. Talking about memory, as we know that in case of string, whenever we change the object, a new object is created every time. So it takes more memory, it occupies more memory, whereas a string buffer and string builder both will allow us to change the object directly. So it takes lesser memory as compared to strings. Now strings, all the methods in strings are not synchronized, so they are not thread safe, whereas a string buffer has all the methods are synchronized. So we cannot call two methods or two threads at the same time or simultaneously. So this will give us more accuracy, but it will take more time. And when we talk about string builders, all the methods in string builders are not synchronized, so they also not thread safe. Now third is when can you use a string or string buffer or string builder. So basically, when in project your data is not changing frequently, in that case you can use strings. And in the other hand, when your data is changing frequently, the object is changing frequently, in that case it is recommended to use string buffer or string builders, because we know that all objects can directly change in these classes. So when we talk about particularly string buffer and string builder, these two classes are same. Only difference is that when to use string buffer and when to use string builder is dependent on your project demand. So in case whenever you want a more accuracy rather than time delay, so in that case you can use string buffer, because as we know that all the methods in string buffer are not synchronized, so they are thread safe, and thereby they will provide a more accuracy. They still takes more time to execute. However, whenever you want to complete your task in less time, and where accuracy doesn't not mandatorily as required, so in that case string builders are used, because string builders are methods are in string builders are not synchronized, so both threads can take simultaneously or can call simultaneously. In that case the task is completed in lesser time. Still accuracy will be lesser in that string builder class. So this is the main or basic difference between these two classes. Thank you so much.